Fiberglass tank repair, restoring strength and durability. Fiberglass tanks are widely used for their durability, but over time, they can develop cracks, leaks, or structural weaknesses. Proper repair techniques, including resin application and reinforcement, restore the tank's integrity and extend its lifespan. Professional maintenance ensures that fiberglass tanks remain resistant to corrosion, chemicals, and environmental stress. Regular inspections and timely repairs help prevent costly replacements and keep storage systems in optimal condition.